Hello class, this is Dattatreya Girupunje. Today, here we are going to study the starting system of two-wheeler. Starting system, name itself indicate which starts a vehicle. So, first of all, let's see what is the conceptual or the technical definition of it. The starting system is such a device which convert a electrical energy or a mechanical energy, or we can say it is such a system which utilize electrical power or a mechanical power in order to make a initial cranking of IC engine. That IC engine may be of two-wheeler, that IC engine may be of four-wheeler, that IC engine may be of locomotive, that IC engine may be of aeroplane, or that not only IC engine, it may be a turbine engine also. So in case of the aeroplane, we are having a starter to initiate the initial cranking of turbine engine also. So starter motor not only exists in automotive, it is also exist in locomotive also, it is also exist in aviation also. So it is very basic term which we are using, a starting system. It is applicable to all moving or self-propelling devices. Okay, so this initiation means what? We know there are various power cycle which we are using in order to generate the power. We know the diesel cycle, we know the Otto cycle, okay, we know the Rankine cycle. All are the power cycle which we are used to convert the chemical energy of fuel to mechanical work done. Okay, so let's talk about in the context of the IC engine, or more precisely in case of the two-wheeler. Okay, so similarly, all the engines are not started their self only. We have to start them, or in simple way, we can say we have to initiate their cranking. So for that purpose, we have to rotate the engine by taking effort initially. Okay, so either we can rotate that engine by electrical motor, or we can rotate that engine by human effort. That human effort or that electrical motor responsible to make a initial power cycle, say suction, compression, power and exhaust. And if in between that power performance, or I mean to say in between that cycle completion, that initial cycle completion, the generated power is enough to rotate further that engine itself by its own power and overcome the frictional losses. Okay, that time we no need to further assist that engine via electric motor or via human effort. That engine is capable to take care of its own rotation with the frictional losses. So initially just we have to rotate it, we have to make the initial cycle, that is power cycle of that